What's up, y'all? John Joffrey with Revent Builds in Austin, Texas. Behind me is a killer custom home. We're about to tear this baby down. We've been wading through so much city bull. It has just been haunting me. The Revent crew is scattered all around Austin, so I've hired a brand new demo team. They've come highly recommended, and honestly, I'm just a little bit scared to use them because it's always, you know, something new with the new crew. So let's see what they got. I'm gonna be bossing them around today. Let's go. All right, guys, new crew, bolts already starting. They should have been here 45 minutes ago. Let me call them up and see what the hell's going on.
Hello, Sydney.
This is John with Revent Builds. Y'all are supposed to be here for a demo?
Oh, John. Yeah, we're on the way. We just got stuck in some killer traffic.
All right. Well, you guys are 45 minutes late. Let's get the hell over here and get started. Good Lord, finally, he said he's down the street. What the? Why are they walking so slow? Y'all didn't drive here? No wonder why they were an hour late. Guys, it's over here. You guys bring like some tools or? Okay. All right, guys, an hour and a half later, they're finally here. Let's meet them. Hey guys, John Joffrey with Revent Builds. You might know me from some of my videos on YouTube and Instagram. All right, the silent type. How you doing? Okay. Okay. All right, guys. You're freaking me out a little here, but I guess you showed up to work. Why don't I bring you on inside and show you what we're doing here today? Okay? Come on in. All right, guys. Head on in. Thanks for coming today. Okay. Good Lord. What the hell happened in here? Good God, red rum? Get out? Beware? 666? What the hell happened in here? All right, guys. Well, like I said, thanks for showing up today. Why don't you three kind of just get started in this main area? You two just, you know, go in the house and you guys get started. What the fuck are these guys doing? All right. Is a pry bar. Why don't you go inside and we'll all follow you in, okay? Okay, you a sledgehammer. Never in my life. All right, guys, now that we have the proper tools, now we're ready to get into demo, but always step number one is some good safety gear. I have safety goggles, want to protect your eyes. We got gloves as well. Why don't you each take a pair of these. Here you go. Safety first. All right, guys, it looks like we're ready to go. So what? God damn it. Where did you get that? Does anyone have anything else? Okay, step one. We have some things to work with. I saw some good stabbing and slashing motions. We're gonna take the right tools. I'm gonna give you guys a little demonstration. It's actually pretty fun. Boys! All right, we can't all be in the same place at once. Let's spread out around the house here. Why don't you give it a try? Hey! Big hammer. Go for it. Doing great. Dude, you got it. Feeling good about this. Yeah! All right, getting a little livelier. All right, you. Let's go, you're up, bud. Yes! Yes! All right, let's go. I got a bathroom for you. Come on. Small little bathroom over here. Should be an easy bang up job. Go for it. Here. Hey, hold up. Try this. All right, great work, man. You kill it in here. You got a little more work to do. Hey, big guy with the chainsaw. You need to get these doors out. Going great. These guys are taking direction well. Shit's going down. We need someone for this back bedroom. Hey, knife hands guy, Mr. Knife Fingers, where you at? Hello? All right. Oh. Glass blocks, bro. All right. Perfect.
John, where the Hey man, you seen John? Alright, fucking John, you in here? No? John, where the are you, man?
No, dude. These guys were like an hour late. I have to baby them through the whole demo. They didn't even show up with the right tools. We didn't get jack shit done. There's no way in hell I'm paying these guys. I mean, like, why would I? Oh, I thought you guys had already left. I guess I'll just go. Oh, geez. Yeah, guys, you know, I'm a prankster and I didn't really mean any of that. I see you have your original weapons. That's good. Venmo, Cash App, direct deposit. There's no way I was thinking about actually not paying you guys. It's just, okay. Guys, you know, you guys did a great job today. And I just want to, guys!